Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin is or dipped yesterday into this support area, communicated this support range yesterday in the last video. I think we were just about to start this wave 4 yesterday, and we've now moved down a little lower, which is okay because this is essentially what you want to see, a more healthy wave 4. I think we did check yesterday here after this small rally. Did the wave 3 actually fulfill the minimum expectations as per the Fibonacci extensions? And yes, the $87 level was reached. In fact, it actually peaked at $88.80, so slightly above the 1.618 extension, which is very important. We're then pulling back now, and is the wave 4 already over? Well, it doesn't quite look finished yet, I think. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more of an extended wave 4. Actually, the wave 4 could also be unfolding as a triangle. The key is that as long as $82 is holding, it could get one more high, at least one more high in this A wave, should then ideally come back in a B wave and rally in a C wave to form the larger D wave of the triangle. So if I zoom out a little bit, if you watch the last few videos, that's no surprise to you, but we're currently looking at this entire move, basically that started in February as an Elliott Wave triangle of a wave 4, which would result in one more high in a wave 5. So it's basically in an uptrend. That's the current expectation. And the triangle consists of an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Basically, the expectation would be to form a lower high in a D wave and a higher low in an E wave to fulfill a fourth wave and then to rally in a fifth wave. Condition is that price does not in the short term break below this C wave low, that's around $71.50, and even more important, not to break below 65.77, because that is really the invalidation point for the triangle. If it breaks below the, as I just mentioned, the 71.50 level, yeah, it would extend the triangle, wouldn't really formally invalidate it, but it would look a bit strange. But ideally, it's holding that, and it has to hold 65.77. If it breaks below 65.77, I have to expect that it only peaked in a three-wave structure, and that would be bearish. That would be an ABC structure to the upside, and it could now be coming down. But then this is just sideways consolidation, so I have no strong evidence that it is doing something bearish at the moment, but it would be, we would have some evidence below 65.77. Yeah, that's sort of the situation. And if we then zoom in, obviously, as I just said, the triangle consists of an A, B, C, D, E structure. The best reading I've got, the best wave count, is that this is a D wave currently, which consists of three waves. Every subwave in a triangle, or every wave in a triangle, consists of a corrective structure, typically an ABC or a WXY. And yeah, within this D wave, we have this A wave high, the B wave down, and the C wave still to come. So from that point of view, not much change from the previous video. At the moment, expectations would be to push a little higher. And let's look at, what could be a micro count here for this wave 4. So what is a wave 4? A wave 4 is a corrective structure. Ideally, it's just forming an ABC structure. This could be an A wave down. This could be a B wave, maybe already topped, and then a C wave down. If we look at this B wave, look at the Fibonacci retracements, what is the retracement level it reached? Well, it reached perfectly the 78.6 retracement. So yeah, basically we could assume now that the B wave has topped. Maybe it comes down now in a C wave, or also here again, maybe we have another triangle. Wave 4s often unfold as a triangle. So this could be an A wave, a B wave, a C wave. If it forms a higher low, then a D wave forming a lower high, and an E wave, and that could be the wave 4. Both don't really differ. They would be expected to go to the upside in a wave 5 of wave A. But this is only a micro view, and much more important than trying to figure out the accurate, correct, the wave structure in the correction, which changes anyway. Much more important is to understand how low can this wave 4 actually go, and it shouldn't go below $82. So a sustained break below that level would indicate that wave A already peaked, possibly only in three waves. Always remember that an A wave can be a three wave or a five wave structure. So we need to be on our toes here, but without breaking below $82, I have to assume that the short-term uptrend here is ongoing. And what can we expect as a target? I mean, if you look at micro structural resistance here. We've got some resistance around $90. Okay, and then 91.50. These are two structural resistance levels, and then we can also use the Fibonacci extensions to identify a possible target for the wave 5 there. And then we take the wave length 1 and 3 and go to the low of the wave 4. Now again, I have no evidence where wave 4 ends or has ended, so I have to use the last low. If it shifts a little lower, targets will shift a bit. But also here we've got the 38.2 extension. That's the 91.20 level. So pretty much where I just highlighted structural resistance. That would be one typical target for a wave 5, or even that would be more bullish, the 61.8 extension at 95.30. So these are possible levels to watch on the way up. That's my update about Litecoin. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.